In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel meetings in Google Calendar. Whether a plan changed, a conflict popped up, or you just need to tidy your schedule, knowing how to remove a meeting quickly keeps everyone aligned. I'll walk you through the web version of Google Calendar and share a few helpful tips so you can cancel with confidence and notify the right people without any confusion. Start by opening calendar.google.com in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. Choose the view that makes navigation easiest for you. Week and month views are great for scanning your schedule at a glance, while day view lets you focus on a single day. If you manage multiple calendars, glance at the list on the left and make sure the calendar containing the meeting is checked. You can also use the search bar at the top to find an event by its title or a keyword. Next, locate the specific meeting you want to delete. Scroll to the correct date and time and click the event to open its details card. Double check that you've selected the right one, especially if there are similar meetings or a recurring series. The event card shows the title, time, guests, and location. If the meeting is part of a series, you'll usually see repeating indicators, which is a cue that canceling may affect multiple dates. Taking a second to verify saves you from removing the wrong event. When you're sure, look for the trash can icon on the event card and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear. If the meeting repeats, you'll be asked whether you want to delete just this occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intent. If you're the organizer, you may also be prompted to send updates to attendees. It's best practice to notify them, and you can often add a short note explaining the reason or offering next steps. After you confirm, the event disappears from your calendar. If you're not the organizer, removing the event only hides it from your view and doesn't cancel it for everyone else. So consider reaching out to the organizer if a broader cancellation is needed. Finally, watch for the brief undo option that appears at the bottom of the screen. If you click the trash can by mistake, you can restore the event immediately. And that's it. You've gone to Google Calendar, found the exact meeting you want to remove, and used the trash can with a quick confirmation to cancel it properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your calendar clean and your team in the loop.